Hey everybody, welcome to Drawing Hypno here. So got a little bit of not fantastic news. It's not good news at all. So you may have noticed that there haven't been song doodles. There hasn't been music accompaniment for the last few videos here. And there's not going to be for a little bit. Mambo actually, while doing some yard work, doing some spring cleaning, had a really bad, well, not really bad, but really bad for her, she had a really bad fall, and so she tripped over a trash can while she was doing some yard work and got her hand jammed up in the lid as she was going, and sprained, possibly broke her finger. Her fingers really hurt, and you know she's a pianist, and the real sad thing is she just got a brand new. Well, new to her. She just got a concert grand piano that she's been so excited to play, and she was just gonna do some yard work real quick first before she started playing, and went and hurt her hands, and now she can't play for a good long while. So, if you can, please keep Mambo in your thoughts and your prayers. I'll keep y'all updated as I know what's happening, but I think it really is just one of those, it needs time to heal things. I mean, it's not like, you know, a finger snapped off or her entire hand's broken or anything, you know. So it's not that. It's not the worst thing in the world, but yeah, she's just not gonna be able to play for a bit here. So, yeah, that's the news. I wish I had good news for y'all, but sometimes there's just not good news. I guess every day's got some good news. Okay, so in good news, I'm working on some cool stuff for Chibitasm here in the future. If you're going to be at Phoenix Comic Con this year, look forward to some cool new stuff. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.